Hi everyone, we're going to go over how to use Flipgrid, and Flipgrid is a platform that we're going to use in most of our discussion boards, and it's a really easy way to have a very vivid and interactive discussion using videos. And it's really important that we're connecting with each other and connecting faces with names and those types of things, so it really adds to the dimension of our discussion boards. So what we're going to do is go over how to use Flipgrid, and it's very simple. I've included in each one of the discussion boards actually a code. You can actually upload a link, or excuse me, an app to your phone on Flipgrid. And then you can use the codes that I've included in each one of the discussion boards, and just know that each one of the discussion boards has a unique code because we will have several discussions and they each need to be connected with that particular discussion board. So always use the codes that are included in the discussion board. And if you're using your computer, you can use the hyperlink that I have included in the discussion board as well to connect you directly with Flipgrid. So as we move forward, let's take a look at as we need to move forward with Flipgrid, we're going to just simply click on the link, or you can copy and paste it in your URL and just click on it, and it will take you here, and you will log in with your Microsoft account, and that's really important because you want to use your McKendry account. So what it does is it brings you directly to the Nursing 500 Flipgrid site. So let me just expand this. I'm going to put you on hold for just a minute. And as you can see, it opens up to our opening discussion board with our introductions, and it has specifically what you need to cover, and you have some time to do so. So when you want to reply, all you need to do is click on the great big plus sign in the green circle, and that will start you with your recording, and you can reply to the prompts that are here. And once we get into things, you can actually reply directly to your classmates as well. So if you have any questions on using Flipgrid, please let me know. But like I said, it's a very simple way to have that face-to-face interaction in a virtual way that's asynchronous. So if you need anything, let me know. Otherwise, I'm looking forward to having discussions with you and being able to see and interact with you. Take care now.